Yo, what's up everyone? Boaster here. And as you can see in front of me, I've got the new Sony M10S monitor, co-developed with Fnatic, and we're gonna be doing an unboxing. So for me, growing up, monitors were super important. I always felt that whenever I got a monitor upgrade, my gameplay would upgrade as well. Now we've come to the era that Sony's just released the M10S. It's going to be a bit of a disadvantage for my enemies, let's just say. I have a feeling. When I was trying to go pro, 144 Hertz was like a big deal. This is the base of the stand. As you can see already, it's tiny, which is super good. Next part, cardboard's off. Now we got the actual monitor stand here. 360 degrees rotation, simple and sweet, I'd say. We've gone for the minimalist black design. Let's start building it. I think it just slips on. Yeah, just plugs it in there. And if you think about it, it's kind of crazy how the monitor can balance on a stand like this, but Sony got some engineers in there that have done the math. So that's the base without the monitor. Sweet. Now, we're getting into the big boy monitor. There's some other cardboard bits, but I think they're just packaging stuff. Here comes the monitor. Once I've made my little stand, I can pop it into the monitor in its packaging. It clicks in, and then I just pull it out. Oh, hey. Let's take that off. There we go. Sounded kind of nice. That was like an ASMR thing there going on. Yeah, let's get this bad boy turned on, shall we? I'm just gonna turn it around a few times. Would you like to dance? Oh, after you. No. This is gonna be the future of Fnatic Valorant right here, right now. I feel like I can eat this monitor. I'm tasting the pixels kind of thing. It's so much nicer. As you can see here, the base stand is actually designed also in terms of its thinness to be similar to a mouse mat. So you won't actually feel the difference if your mouse slides off the mouse mat into the stand. Because the base is so small, I feel like I have so much room. I can like move it here, here. I can play however I want now. I've got so much space, I don't even know what to do with it. Yeah, I could have the smallest desk in the world and it would still work. I'm on a tiny desk now and I can still make it work. You don't even feel like there is a stand. I feel like I've got a floating monitor. Yeah. Yeah, I like. When it comes to adjusting your monitor, I personally like my monitor to be somewhat eye level. And with this monitor, you have a lot of space to do whatever you please with it. With the tilt, I could tilt it and pretend I'm playing like Kong Kong from EDG, or I could come all the way up to the max, and there we go, and tilt it down a little bit. So there's so much space, so much room for movement. Also, if I wanted to show you a lineup, I'd be like, hey, can you learn this lineup, please? And that was actually quite nice, wasn't it? The wires are all tucked in. Let's do it again. Let's go back. Let's do it again. Now you might have some worries. Oh, the stand is too small, it's too slim, it might not be sturdy. It might be small like me, but it's built with massive muscles. No, it's built to last. I don't feel it shaking at all when I'm playing. I can move my mouse as aggressive as I want, really get the friction in there. It's quite a strong little thing, isn't it? And the monitor stand actually stays quite put as well. Normally you can move it, but this one's got a nice little grip on the bottom as well. I'm really excited for this monitor's release. I'm gonna be using it and I'm gonna be tasting them pixels. And if you're serious about gaming, you should check it out too.